In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to complete this sketch as shown here by using the Offset Entities command. So first I'm going to right click here and I'm going to exit this sketch. Then I'm going to Control Tab back to my other open document. We can see currently we just have the arc. I want to offset this arc towards the origin. To do that, I'm going to use the Offset Entities command. Then I'm going to select the entity I wish to offset, and it's offset towards the origin. If it went the wrong way, I would reverse it with this, but it is going the correct way, so I'll uncheck that. I want the offset distance to be 100 thou. If I had more than one entity, the select chain would select them all that we're touching. I can also go in both directions with the bidirectional option, but I don't want that. I'm going to uncheck this for a second. So there the entity is just offset. If I turn on cap ends, I have the option to cap the ends with arcs or lines. In this case, I want to cap them with lines. The other options I have here is to change construction geometry. So if I turn on this, my base geometry, that's this initial arc, you can see how its color changes here, will now change to construction geometry. If I uncheck it, it'll go back. If I turn on the offset geometry, so now we see all the geometry that was offset, if I leave that turned on, will become construction geometry. I don't want either of these to become construction geometry, so I'm going to uncheck both, and I'm going to accept that, and now I have my sketch fully defined and the shape I want. So I can see the fully defined down here, so I'm going to right click, and I'm going to exit my sketch, and we'll continue on from there.